To see the first examples for the linear equations. We have already seen the format. We already noticed that the format will be of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So we have some equations and we have to represent them in this form and indicate the values of a, b and c. So we'll go one by one. So first one will have 2x plus 3y. So we can pull this 4.3 to the left side of the equation. We'll say 4.37 equal to 0. So in this case, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to minus 4.37. So the next problem, x minus 4, and we can bring the 3y on this side of the equation, minus, it becomes minus 3y, the sign changes, and in this case we have a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to minus 4. So here b is equal to minus 3, which is the value of coefficient of coefficient of y, and we have c is equal to minus 4. The third problem, we have, you can take the 4, you can in this case we can bring the values either to this side of the equation, left side of the equation, or we can keep it in the, we can move these two items x and y to the left side of the equation. So suppose if you're going to move to the right side, it will be 5x minus 3y minus 4 equal to 0. In this case, a becomes 5, b becomes minus 3 and c becomes minus 4. You can do this the other way also. So you can keep 4 on the left side and move the x component and y component, x and y, to the right side of the equation. So when you move y, it becomes positive. So in this case, we have coefficient of x is minus 5, coefficient of y is 3, and the constant is 4. So both these answers are right. And let's move fourth problem, 2x minus y equal to 0. So in this case, a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 1 and c is equal to 0. So we have written the equations in ax plus by plus c form, and we have also put the values of a, b and c. Let's move on to the second problem. So here we have here we have some equations, and we are going to solve them. So write each of the following as an equation in two variables. We have given two variables. So but here, let's see. But we don't have y. We don't have the component y. In that case, we can represent something like a into x plus 0 into y plus constant is equal to 0. Okay, or you can say something like that, or can keep this constant as b is equal to 0, which means ax plus b is equal to 0, because the coefficient of y is 0. So let's take the first problem. X equal to minus 5. So in this case it becomes x plus 5 equal to 0. So we have to write it in this form. So we will be writing it as we'll be writing this as 0 into y plus 5 equal to 0. Or we can also write it as 1 into x. 1 into x plus 0 into y plus 5 is equal to 0. So let's take the other problem. Y is equal to 2. So this can be written as 0 into x, y into y equal to 2, or 0 into x plus y, 1 into y minus 2 is equal to 0. So let's take so this one, you take this one. So we have 0 as x component, x coefficient, and we have y. Okay, and we can move the 2 to the other side of the equation. Okay, so it becomes minus 2 equal to 0. Okay, so we have 0x, 1 into y minus 2 is equal to 0. The other problem is 2x minus 3. So this can be written as 2x plus 0 into y minus 3 equal to 0. Okay, so now we have the fourth problem, 5y. So x coefficient of x is 0, 0 into x plus 5 into 5y, and this 2 becomes minus 2 equal to 0.